Tesla is the undisputed king of electric vehicles, and they sell more EVs than any other automaker in the world. They're also one of the very few companies that make profit off of selling EVs. But this reign might be coming to an end soon, as there are some vehicles that are beginning to pose a threat to Tesla. Curious to know which EVs will surpass Tesla? Let's unravel the answers together. We're kicking off our comparison with two popular mass-market options, the Tesla Model 3 and the Chevy Bolt. Now this is where the real competition begins. It might seem odd to compare these two, but there's a logical reason behind it. Let's start by highlighting the impressive qualities of the Model 3 that set it apart from the Bolt. The 2022 Tesla Model 3 standard range boasts an impressive 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of just 5.8 seconds, leaving the 2023 Chevy Bolt's estimated time of 6.8 seconds in the dust. But wait, it gets even better. If we introduce the Model 3 performance version into the mix, its jaw-dropping acceleration time of only 3.1 seconds blows the Bolt out of the water. Not to mention the Model 3's sleek and minimalist interior feature an innovative design and a stunning 15-inch touchscreen display that controls everything from cabin temperature to entertainment. However, let's give credit where it's due. The 2023 Chevy Bolt UV doesn't fall short either, offering a spacious cabin, comfortable seats, and a 10.2-inch touchscreen display with built-in Alexa. For the millions of Alexa users out there, this is an invaluable feature. But when we consider all aspects, the Model 3 emerges as the undeniable winner. Now, you might be wondering, why are we comparing these two? Well, it all comes down to price and affordability. Elon Musk had a vision for the Model 3 to be Tesla's most accessible option, targeting the mass market. However, let's face it, not everyone can afford a $42,000 car. In contrast, the Chevy Bolt retails at just $27,000, making it a more budget-friendly choice. For those seeking an affordable EV without the Tesla branding, the Bolt offers quality and savings. Additionally, Chevy goes the extra mile by installing a complimentary charging outlet in your home when you purchase one of their cars. Tesla, unfortunately, doesn't provide this without draining your wallet. This affordability factor puts the Chevy Bolt in a strong position to potentially devour a significant share of the Model 3's market. So, when it comes to price, performance, and overall value, the Model 3 and the Chevy Bolt go head-to-head, but the Model 3 proves to be the champion. Buckle up, because there's more to come as we explore other exciting EV comparisons. Let's shift our focus to the world of luxury SUVs, where we have the impressive Model X from Tesla going head-to-head against the upcoming Kia EV9. Tesla had one goal in mind when creating the Model X: to deliver an all-electric luxury SUV that stands out from the crowd. Typically, luxury SUVs come with a hefty price tag, and the Model X is no exception. Starting at $109,000, it might be out of reach for many. This is where the Kia EV9 enters the scene, and believe it, it has the potential to shake up the market. When comparing the base models, the Model X falls drastically short. The Kia EV9 has a horsepower of 320, surpassing the Model X 259. In terms of range, the Kia offers a respectable 300 miles, slightly less than the Model X 348. However, what's truly surprising is the Kia's price tag. With a base model priced at $56,990 and even the top-of-the-line GT version staying below $70,000, it's hard to ignore the value it brings to the table. Now let's talk about the interior, where the Kia truly shines like a sparkling space rock. The Kia's interior design is simply exquisite. It features a stunning 12.3-inch touchscreen display, a spacious cabin, comfortable seats, and unique sideways opening doors. Kia is making a statement with its distinctive approach. Ultimately, it's up to you to decide if the extra performance offered by the Model X is worth the additional tens of thousands of dollars. However, when you factor in the Kia EV9's outstanding specifications, attractive price, and striking interior, it becomes a compelling option that challenges the dominance of the Model X. Let's now dive into the showdown between two luxury sedans, the Model S from Tesla and the opulent Lucid Air Sapphire. Priced at $249,000, the Lucid Air Sapphire is the only contender on this list that surpasses the Tesla. We're comparing it to the $114,990 Model S Plaid. But does the Lucid Air justify its price tag? Absolutely. Right off the bat, the Lucid Air Sapphire delivers a whopping 1,200 horsepower, nearly 200 more than the Tesla Model S Plaid. Not only that, but it boasts an impressive range of up to 520 miles on a single charge, making it one of the longest-range electric vehicles on the market. The Lucid Air doesn't stop there. Inside, it offers more space for passengers and luggage compared to the Tesla Model S Plaid. Its innovative Lucid Space concept maximizes comfort and storage, creating a luxurious experience. On the outside, the Lucid Air takes the lead with its glass canopy roof seamlessly integrated with the windshield, providing a panoramic view without compromising on comfort or safety. The domination continues with Lucid Air's software performance and integration. While the Tesla Model S is known for its formidable software, the Lucid Air Sapphire raises the bar even higher with 32 advanced sensors that greatly enhance driver assist capabilities. In comparison, the Model S relies on 12 ultrasonic sensors. Both the Lucid Air Sapphire and the Tesla Model S Plaid are impressive electric vehicles with their own strengths and weaknesses. However, the Lucid Air emerges as the faster vehicle with a longer range and a more luxurious interior. It also features a larger and more advanced display. Considering that those who can afford the Model S can easily afford the Lucid Air Sapphire, it's a battle where the scales tip in favor of Lucid. So what do you think? Let's know in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching and see you in our next video.